Welcome and thank you for listening to this Paragon Edge audio blog. The ATM industry is at a crossroads, or so it seems. Rapid digital transformation, evolving consumer behavior, and increasing regulatory pressures are all part of the conversation around how the ATM industry is changing and reshaping. But the reality is that ATMs remain a crucial component of the global financial ecosystem. As the financial landscape shifts toward digital and contactless transactions, ATM deployers, banks, and independent operators must rethink their strategies to ensure their ATMs remain relevant and profitable. The regulatory landscape is also evolving, imposing new security and compliance requirements that ATM operators must navigate to maintain efficiency and security. There's no doubt that the rise of digital banking, mobile wallets, and real-time payment networks have significantly influenced the role of ATMs in modern financial infrastructure. Some regions are seeing a decline in ATM usage due to increased digital payment adoption, while others continue to grow. Either way, ATMs remain an essential financial access point for millions of people across the globe. The data speaks for itself. The global ATM market size continues to expand. According to Grandview Research, the global ATM market size was estimated at $25.29 billion in 2024 and is projected to grow at a CR of 3.6% from 2025 to 2030. In this audio blog, we explore the key trends shaping the future of the ATM industry, the impact of digital payments on cash usage, the latest technological advancements in ATMs, and why rigorous ATM testing has become more critical than ever. Traditional bank branches are closing at an accelerating rate, driven by cost-cutting measures and the shift to digital banking. In fact, a recent study from Self Financial, using data provided by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, suggests that physical branches could become extinct by 2041 if numbers continue along the same trajectory. Since 2018, an average of 1,646 branches have closed each year in the U.S., according to the compiled data, bringing the total number of branches down to 69,590 in 2022, the most recent available data, compared to 82,461 in 2012. Having fewer bank branches leads to both challenges and opportunities for ATM fleet owners. While the reduction in physical branch locations has led to increased demand for ATMs in some geographies, it has also raised concerns about whether the ATM channel can fully replace in-branch services. Despite these concerns, the continued advances in ATM technology and networking infrastructure, as well as the growing consumer preference for digital and self-service solutions, are clear indications that the ATM channel is a viable alternative to the branch. While the shift to a more digital financial ecosystem raises questions about the long-term sustainability of large ATM networks, ATMs themselves are undergoing significant technological upgrades to remain relevant in an increasingly digital world. With the rise of contactless payments, ATMs are evolving to support cardless transactions by integrating technologies such as NFC, near-field communication, QR codes, and biometric authentication. This advancement enhances user convenience by streamlining access to banking services without the need for a physical card, while also improving security by minimizing the risks associated with card skimming and PIN theft. Smart ATMs are enhancing customer experiences by offering a range of services beyond traditional cash withdrawals and deposits. Many of these advanced machines now feature video banking capabilities, enabling users to connect with remote tellers for assistance with tasks such as account management, loan applications, and other banking needs. This innovation is especially valuable in areas where physical bank branches have closed, ensuring continued access to personalized financial services. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing ATM operations through the implementation of predictive maintenance. By analyzing usage patterns and monitoring machine performance, AI-powered systems can identify potential issues before they lead to breakdowns. This proactive approach helps reduce downtime, enhances the overall customer experience, and lowers maintenance costs for financial institutions. In the era where customers expect immediate access to their money and financial services, ATMs must operate flawlessly every time a cardholder is ready to transact. Any malfunction, downtime, or security breach can lead to customer dissatisfaction, brand erosion, and financial losses. Comprehensive ATM testing is an essential part of ensuring all transactions are processed quickly and securely, 24/7 by 365. In addition to meeting customer expectations, payment industry compliance requirements continue to evolve. ATM operators must stay ahead of industry regulations, including PCI DSS updates and new EMV security standards, to ensure their networks remain compliant and secure. Last but not least, testing is critical for ATM security. ATMs are a target for cybercriminals employing sophisticated fraud techniques. Jackpotting, hacking ATMs to dispense large sums of cash, card skimming, and malware attacks are on the rise. Advanced security measures, including biometric authentication, AI-driven fraud detection, and robust ATM testing frameworks, are necessary to combat these threats effectively. Even as we continue to debate the future of the ATM, cash remains an essential payment method for millions of consumers worldwide. Digital payments may dominate global commerce, but cash still plays a critical role in financial inclusion, emergency situations, and privacy-conscious transactions. The ATM industry must adapt as it works to balance the need to provide access to cash with the integration and delivery of value-added digital services. Over the next 5 years, ATMs are likely to undergo significant transformation, marked by the continued expansion of cardless and contactless transactions. As technology advances, ATMs are expected to evolve into full-service financial kiosks, offering a broader range of banking functions. The adoption of AI-driven predictive maintenance will likely increase, ensuring greater reliability and efficiency. Security measures will also advance, with deeper integration of biometric authentication and blockchain-based verification. At the same time, a decline in bank-operated ATMs may occur, accompanied by the growth of independent ATM networks that cater to a wider array of customer needs. Interested in discussing the future of ATMs and how Paragon can help increase the functionality, efficiency, and security of the ATM channel? Get in touch with our team of experts today and learn how our innovative ATM testing solutions utilize virtualization and automation technologies to enhance the availability, reliability, and security of your ATM fleet.